Welcome back to second online class section of video on the perimeter and the area of plane shapes. So we start with the calculative aspect of plane shapes. So we start with the first question is the length of a rectangular room is 5 meters, and the width, another word for width is breadth, and the width is 4 meters. Find the area, the perimeter of the room. Now the room is a rectangular room, meaning that it has the shape of a rectangle. So what it means is that we are asked to find the perimeter of that room, and that room takes the shape of a rectangle. So the length is 5 meters, and while the breadth is the breadth of the room is 4 meters. So let's move to our board so we can quickly solve that question. So let me draw. Sorry. So this is a rectangle. Now the length is 5 meters and the breadth is 4 meters. So we are asked to find the perimeter of the shape. Like I said earlier, perimeter is the total distance around the shape. This is a rectangle. One of the properties of a rectangle is that opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are, so if this side is 5 meters, this is also 5 meters, and this is also 4 meters. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is just find the sum of all the sides. So find the sum of side A plus side B plus side C plus side D. So perimeter is 5 centimeter. We're taking the sum of all the sides plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 4. So instead of trying to cram the formula, just know what perimeter is. So that's 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is 9 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. That's 14 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So perimeter of this shape is 14 centimeter. Alternatively, if you feel like using the formula, or remember that the formula to calculate perimeter is 2 into bracket length plus breadth. Now what's length? Length is 5 and breadth is 4. So P is equals to 2 into bracket 5 meters plus 4 meters. So P is equals to 2 into bracket 9 meters. Then bracket means multiplication in mathematics. So P, 2 times 9 meters will give us 18 meters. Sorry, I made a mistake here. I used centimeters, please. Sorry, it should be, and then this should be 18, not 14. Sorry for that little error. 18 meters, not centimeters. So it's meters. Sorry. So it's meters, not centimeters. Wow. I don't know what's wrong with my eraser. So it's meters and not centimeters. So don't worry, I'll do justice to 4 meters and 18 meters. So it's 18 meters. So you can use any of the methods to calculate the perimeter of that shape. So let's quickly move to question 2. So that is the perimeter of a rectangle, any rectangle at all. This is how to calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. So let's quickly move to question 2. Now question 2 says that calculate the perimeter of a square whose length is 8 centimeters. So calculate the perimeter of a square whose length is 8 meters. Very simple, very, very simple. So let's go back to our board. So let's go back to the board and then good. So calculate the perimeter of let me draw a square. So this is a square-like structure. So remember that the length of this side is 8 centimeters. since it is a square, one of the properties of a square is that all the sides are equal. So this is 8 centimeter, this is also 8 centimeter, this is also 8 centimeter, and this is 8 centimeter. So we have 8 centimeter all through. And what's the perimeter of the shape? Now perimeter is the total length of a shape, so total distance around the shape is the perimeter. So when we take the sum of these sides, 8 centimeter plus another 8 centimeter plus another 8 centimeter, then plus another 8 centimeter. So when we do take the sum of these, 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is 16 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, that's 24 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, that's 32 centimeter. Now let's use the formula. Alternatively, or now perimeter is, as we said earlier, is 4L. L is length. So where L is 8 centimeters, so P is equals to 4 times 8 centimeter. So P is equals to 4 times 8 centimeter is 32 centimeter. So you can see that we arrive at the same answer. They're the same. So it's either you use the formula or you use the simple definition of what perimeter is. So perimeter is the total length of a shape. So you can just add up and get the perimeter. Perimeter is very simple. It is not difficult at all. So very quickly, let's take the third example. So the third example is on triangles. So calculate the perimeter of a triangle whose dimensions. Now the dimension refers to as the sides. So whose sides, that's another word for dimension. Dimension sides. So whose sides are 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 12 centimeter. This is an example of an isosceles triangle. You can see that 2 of its sides are equal. So it's an example of an isosceles triangle. So very quickly, let's calculate the perimeter of that shape very quickly. So we start off with let's draw the diagram for a triangle. Sorry, trying to get, okay, I think I've seen one already. So this is a triangle. Now this side is 8 centimeter, this 8 centimeter, and this is 12 centimeter. The formula for perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter then plus 12 centimeter. So perimeter, 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is 16 centimeter plus 12 centimeter, that is 28 centimeter. 16 plus 12 is 28. So the answer is 28 centimeter. So let's move to the next question. That's question 4. Question 4. Very quickly, please, should you have question or questions, please kindly drop your question on the assignment part of the school pattern to be attended to. So calculate the perimeter. You can drop it on the chat when we're having our live class to be attended to. So calculate the perimeter in brackets, circumference, they're the same, of a circle if its diameter is 14 centimeter. Now we're given diameter, we need radius, so we can get diameter from radius. What is radius? Radius is diameter over 2. Radius is half of a diameter. So since diameter in this instance is 14 centimeter, then the radius will be half of it, that is 7 centimeter. I'm going to show you how it is 7 centimeter. So we are asked to find the perimeter of a circle. So when I say find perimeter or find circumference, they're the same. So this is a circle. So we are asked to find the circumference of this circle. Now diameter, the question we're given, diameter is 14 centimeter. Now we need radius. Now radius is diameter over 2. So radius is 14 centimeter all over 2. Radius is 14 centimeter over 2 is 7 centimeter. So that's our radius. Now what's the perimeter of a circle, circumference of a circle? Now the circumference or perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. Now I mentioned this in the first video. I said pi is always 22 over 7. So circumference is 2 times pi is 22/7 times radius is 7 centimeter all over 1. 7 cancel 7, so circumference is 2 times 22, that is 44 centimeter. So that is the circumference or the perimeter of the circle whose diameter is 14 centimeter. Now lastly, final question, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle of sides 6 centimeter. What's an equilateral triangle? An equilateral triangle is a triangle whose sides are equal. So a triangle that has 3 equal sides is referred to as a triangle. So they've given us one side, just like a square. A square has 4 equal sides. So an equilateral triangle is a triangle that has 3 equal sides. So they've given us one side. Since the 3 sides are equal, if you know one side, then other sides are also 6, 6, 6 each. So very quickly, let's do that. We know the perimeter of a triangle already. So let's just calculate. Let's solve. Good. So what's the? Let me draw the shape. Okay. So remember, it's an isosceles. It is an equilateral triangle. So this is one side is 6 centimeter. This will also be 6 centimeter. This will also be 6 centimeter because it is an equilateral triangle and all the sides are equal. So what's the perimeter? So perimeter is the sum of all the sides, 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter is 12 centimeter plus another 6 centimeter, that's 18 centimeter. Alternatively, since all the sides are equal, you can just do 3 times one of the sides. That's for equilateral. 3 times one of the sides, that's 3 times 6, that's 18. So let's go back to the slide. So our second video is on using formula to calculate the perimeter of plane shapes. So in our next video, our third video, we'll be looking at what if you're given the length and the perimeter and you're asked to find the width. You're asked to find one side of a shape. How can we get the other side of a shape if you're given perimeter, or if you're given when it's area, if you're given area. So if you're given perimeter, how can we get, for example, let's look at this first question now. The perimeter of a square is 2,580 centimeters. Find the length of the square in meters. So if you're given the perimeter, how can we get the length of the shape? If you're given perimeter, how can we get the unknown side of a plane shape? So thanks for listening. Thanks for joining me in this video. Hope to see you in the third video. Please stay safe. God bless you. Bye.